Hello everyone. The subject of discussion today is Indian management thoughts and business leaders. Now I am going to mention some of the key points which are to be taken care of for the preparation of this subject called Indian management thoughts and business leaders. Now the first one is the introductory part, the role of Indian ethos and values in management, right? That forms the crux of the first section. Along with that, you should always go for application of yoga and meditation in management of stress. Now, stress has been one of the significant factors in everyone's life these days, especially in the corporate environment. So, stress is taking a huge toll on the health of both employees as well as the employers. Stress again is taking a huge toll on the students as well as the parents. So, stress can be managed with the help of these tools like yoga and meditation, in particular meditation. That's the second topic. Then the next section comprises of Indian epics. Now that includes dimensions of Vedic management and teachings of Gita, Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Now Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana have been taught and are continue to be taught in various national as well as international management schools. That's why they are so important, and more important are their teachings, right? So that's the next one. Then I would go for as far as Indian thinkers are concerned, the two most formidable personalities, Swami Vivekanand and Mahatma Gandhi. Now Swami Vivekanand has been a key figure in introducing Indian philosophies like Vedanta and yoga to the Western world, right? So Vivekanand has been a cult figure in making Hinduism a dominant religion by the end of the 19th century. And Mahatma Gandhi, he has been a truly global leader as far as the principles of Satya and Ahimsa are concerned. So in this section, I would go for these truly leaders, Swami Vivekanand and Mahatma Gandhi. Coming to the next section. Now in this section, the two most formidable business legends are J.R.D. Tata and Dhirubhai Ambani. Now both Tata Group and Reliance Group formed by Dhirubhai Ambani have been in news significantly. Reliance have also acquired Futures Group recently, and Tata Group have been, has formed so huge companies like Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy Services, which is one of the biggest companies in the country as well as in the world, TCS, Tata Tetley, Tata Tea. So Tata, and recently Tata also acquired Jaguar. So Tata as well as Reliance Group have been a great force in creating jobs as well as creating huge infrastructure, ultimately giving rise to the development of the nation. So in this section, I would go with J.R.D. Tata and Dhirubhai Ambani. And in the last one, right, my favorites are Azim Premji and Narayan Murthy. Now both these business leaders have been very popular for their simplicity and effective management policies, right? Now Narayan Murthy has created Infosys, Azim Premji, Wipro. So both companies have been doing exceedingly well, right? So in this section, my particular favorites are Narayan Murthy and Azim Premji. Now that's all as far as the key points, as far as the important concepts of Indian management thoughts and business leaders are concerned. Wishing you all the best for this subject.